Yes, tu vas pas marier toi, Samuel. What is your problem? Stay in shape, people. Stop it. Stay in shape. Yes, can you see we're happy? This woman, she's happy. We're happy. This is a happy family. Why you keep repeat something? You keep repeat something with no value. We don't take it personal because we feel so good. Do you have the feelings we have? If you have the feeling we have, you leave her alone. Oh my God. Are you okay, Sarah?
Yeah, she is.
Oh my God.
She's trying to focus.
Yes. Oh! Let my woman kito look like this. This is perfect. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my God, when you tell me
I feel so bad because you are my daughter. I feel so good about it. Oh. Yes, Lema Okito, you look like this. Yes. Shake it, baby. Simta look like this, and my husband left me. I be jumping just like my dog on the floor. I cannot believe.
Back up, mom, to call.
I cannot believe for somebody.
Comment t'as fait si ma ou te quito?
Well, I don't understand. What's the problem? What is the problem? What's going on all over the world? What's have to do with anybody if your husband left you? What is the big deal? What's wrong with people? What's wrong with your spirit? What's wrong with your brain? It's okay if her husband left her. Look at her. Look at this. Look at this. I can see everything. Who cry when your husband left you? Why would you cry? Women don't cry if your husband left you. Oh my God, what is the big deal? What's so important? Oh, that's all red carpet. Let me walk. Cry.
I love Philly Kasma. I
Hello.
love Philly.
You almost done, Sarah. It's time. Whoops. Wait a minute. Doors come from me.
Yes.
This is ridiculous. I have to fix this.
Sarah, she's gonna make me pee on
What
myself.
husband you talking about? Are you serious? Are you losing your mind? Oh my God, get it right, you stupid. What husband? You have one? Where's yours?